Can Excel pivot tables really solve static report problems? Imagine trying to keep a report up to date every time your data changes. It can be slow and prone to errors. Now, picture a tool that updates itself instantly and lets you explore your data from different angles. That's what pivot tables can do. Pivot tables are built into Excel and are designed to summarize large amounts of data quickly. You can drag fields into rows, columns, values, and filters to see different summaries without rebuilding the report. This makes them a powerful way to analyze data more flexibly than static reports. Static reports often take a lot of time to update. If your data changes, you have to manually redo the report, which can lead to mistakes. Pivot tables solve this by allowing you to refresh the report with a simple click. When the source data updates, just click refresh and your pivot table shows the latest info. Another problem with static reports is limited exploration. You might want to see sales by region or by product category. With pivot tables, you can easily change the layout by dragging fields around. You can add filters or slicers to focus on specific data points without creating a new report. Static reports also risk missing data points. For example, if some products have no sales in a period, static reports might hide them. Pivot tables can be set to show all items, even those with no data, by enabling options like Show Items with No Data. This helps spot gaps or opportunities you might miss otherwise. Creating calculated fields within pivot tables allows you to add custom formulas. For example, you can calculate profit margins or growth rates directly in the pivot table without changing your original data. This makes advanced analysis more accessible. Using Excel tables as the data source for pivot tables is another advantage. When you add new data to the table, the pivot table can automatically include it after refreshing. This keeps your reports current without adjusting ranges manually. If you need a report that stays fixed, you can convert a pivot table into static data by copying and pasting it as values. This removes the interactive features but keeps the report layout intact at that moment. In the end, pivot tables are not meant to replace static reports entirely. Instead, they address many of their limitations by providing a flexible, quick, and dynamic way to analyze data. For ongoing analysis, they save time and reduce errors. When you need a fixed snapshot, you can always turn a pivot table into a static report. So, to answer the question, yes, pivot tables can solve many static report problems by making data analysis faster, more accurate, and easier to explore. They are a key tool for anyone working with large datasets in Excel.